When troubles come, do not believe the lies of the devil that God is not with you. God is with you. He has not abandoned you. He will never abandon you. So trouble is not a sign that God is absent in your life. It is a stage where He will show His deliverance. It is a stage where He will show His faithfulness. It is a stage in your life where He will show His goodness so that you can worship Him and love Him even more. Because in the lowest part of your life, God was there to deliver you. God was there, to bless you, to help you, para tulungan ka ng Diyos. So, huwag na po nating takasan ang problema, huwag po nating takbuhan ang problema, sapagkat ito po ay kasama sa buhay, pero ang pangako ng Diyos, tayo po ay Kanyang tutulungan. Amen.